दारू पीले फुल।
I, Gaurav Ahuja, living in Pune. I am very shameful for yesterday's act which I did myself, and I really apologize to all the people of Pune, Maharashtra and India.
आम्ही पुढे जात नाहीये।
हम जिथं मला नाही बात